What's up to all my frugalistas, my thriftinistas, and my whatever the last one was. I don't remember. It's been so long. Oh my god, I have not been here in forever. Hello, here I am. How you doing? What's going on, my ladies? It's been a long time since I did one of these videos. If you can see by the title, I'm doing a thrift haul. It's been so long. I think it's been like a year since I did a thrift haul. And it's my favorite thing to do.
I got thrift every week.
How do we not have thrift videos on a thrift, from a thrift fanatic? I have to show you all of this stuff I got. Here lately I've been like really on a 90s tip. Like I really love my era. I was born in 93. I'm just really feeling the way that the 90s was like going down. It was like so lit to me. And so if you can't tell by my stripes and stuff I got going on, I have been really on the lookout for like 90s vibe clothing, the 90s vibe shoes, 90s vibes hairstyles. I don't know about the makeup. I'm pretty stuck on this stuff. It's pretty yeah. You know, just give you a little okay. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I've been like I said, I thrift a lot. You win some, you lose some, and with that being said, I lost a lot of the stuff that I did thrift this year. It hurt my feelings so bad. I know every single piece of clothing or shoes or whatever that I've lost in 2018 that are attached to my heart. I know they're gone. I know exactly where they are, and I just don't have access. I just can't get to them. Okay, whatever, I'm rambling. So I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got. I'm gonna start off with tops. The first one is this top. I love it so much. Look at it. I'm just all striped and I'm just all fashionable and stuff. Like my little Brooklyn just came out of me. I'm not from Brooklyn, I'm from Tennessee. So yeah, sorry. Anywho, I got this striped top and I just love it so much. It's so cute and it's so comfortable and it feels so nice. And all the colors in it are just like, and then it's a turtleneck. Speaking of turtlenecks, I also got this turtleneck. It is black and white striped and it is so freaking cute. I think this one is from White Stag. I think that's a Walmart brand, I'm not sure. This is from Pink Republic. I never heard of that, but I love this freaking turtleneck and I love the way it fits on my body. All right, the next top that I got is another turtleneck. This is just an all plain turtleneck. It's just really cute for those little, you know, laid back days. This didn't have a tag in it. Well, it did, but it just faded. I guess it's so old. I don't know where it's from, but I love the way that it fits. It's comfortable, just like the other two. Next, I got this really cute oversized sweater from Stewart. And oh, just love the sleeves on it. Look how big they are. So when I put it on, you'll see it. I just love it. And then it cups at the bottom like that. Oh, yeah, I love that sweater. The next sweater that I got, and which I was upset about because it had a stain on the front. Even after I washed it, it wouldn't come out. But I rocked it and I loved it. And I have my little tube socks on and my little leggings and stuff. It's nice. It's really heavy though, but it's so warm. Like, it's November in Tennessee. It's like 30 degrees outside and I didn't have to wear a coat or anything with this because it's so warm. It looks like it's itchy, but it's really not. I love this. And this one is from Denim & Co. It feels like fucking denim, okay? It really does. Let's do outerwear. I got this nice, beautiful purple, lovely cardigan. Look at it. It's so flowery. It's not really 90s-ish, nor is it winter-ish, but I don't care. I love this. Like, this is dope. This was so freaking cool, y'all. It's not really that flattering on me, but I'm gonna wear it anyway because that's just the type of shit that I do. This jacket, look at it. Look at the freaking paisley effect that's going on this. It's so colorful. This is from Corette in an extra large. I love this so much that I don't care that it doesn't look that great on me, I'm still gonna wear it because that's the type of shit that I do. And of course, jean jackets will never go out of style. They were popular in the 90s. They were popular in the 70s. They're still popular now to this day. I don't know where this one is from, but it's a size large, and I love the way that it fits on me. I love the way that the sleeves are. I love this jacket. It's so cool, and I'm gonna rock the hell out of it. Bottoms. I got these nice joggers. I'm like running through this, okay? I don't have no time to be playing games with y'all, okay? I got these nice joggers. They're really, the color is so pretty to me, and I just love it. And I'm a little thick and they're a little tight on me. I might sell these on my Depop, I'm not sure, but I just love these joggers. They're so cute. The first time I wore them, they fit perfectly, but after I washed them, girl, or else I just gained some weight. I don't know. Probably just gained some weight in like a week. You can't fit these hoes no more. Anyway, these are from Bullhead Denim Co. Never heard of them before, but I love these pants. They're so cute. And they got the little drawstring up there. Cute. Next. I can't believe it about this. These. Look at them. They are from Riders, and they are so high-waisted. When I say high-waisted, they are high-waisted, and they're like the boyfriend dream. I think I'm going to, they got a belt in them because I wore them already. I think I'm going to distress these. And I love the wash of them. They're so cute. I just love it so much. I think I'm going to distress them. Not sure yet, but we'll figure it out. Moving on to the next thing. These pants. I love these pants. They're not even for the winter time, but you best believe your girl is going to rock them in the winter time because that's what I be doing. Look at these. Look at these. They are high-waisted, floral, skinny, comfortable pants. Honey, when I tell you that these are just so... I love them! Dresses. Love the stripes. I am a stripe person, and I love stripes, okay? And this one is a longer sleeve bodycon, and it's very long, and it's very cute, very sexy. I love this dress. It just does wonders for the booty, okay? It just does wonders for me, okay, girl? All right. Next dress I got, I actually got this on Mercari. I love Mercari. Do y'all shop on Mercari? Okay, I don't pay full price for nothing. Okay. Anyways, here we go. I got this dress. It's a sweater dress. It's very winter-esque. I love this right here, and I love the neck of it. And it's long, and it's really pretty, and it's very heavy. It's heavy, so you know it's for the winter time, and these sleeves are long, and I love the color. Look at the color of it. It's so pretty. So this little dress that I got right here. So I got this dress from Urban Rose, and it is a little layover dress. It's black. It's just a little black dress. This one is my favorite dress. So I don't know why this is the last one. It's my favorite thing that I got. This one is this freaking, I don't even know what to call it. It's like it reminds me of kindergarten. It reminds me of when I was in kindergarten, okay? Like, and I just loved it. So I got it. It's like this khaki school dress. I don't even know. It got fucking pockets, and I didn't even know it. They got pockets. Look, they got pockets. Y'all, okay. Oh, another thing that I got, I forgot to show y'all, was these pants. And I couldn't believe I found these. Move, Ottoman, get out of the way. I couldn't believe I found these pants. Look at them. Look at my body. Look at my body, girl. Look at my body in these. Let me show you. Look at my body in these pants. Look how high-waisted these are. I think these came from H&M. Okay. Anyways, I want to appreciate y'all for coming back through. I got a couple pieces of those. I don't know which ones. Well, I know which ones. I just didn't tell y'all. That I want to revamp. Y'all remember my thrift flip fashion lip video? I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do another thrifts flipped fashionably.
Why can't I even say the title to the videos that I made up?
Thrifts flipped fashionably. That's what it's called. I'm gonna do another one of those videos on a couple of these pieces. And I'm gonna show y'all what I come up with. Stay subscribed or subscribe if you haven't been subscribed. What am I looking at? Am I looking at myself? I'm looking at myself and I'm not looking at y'all. This whole time I've been looking at myself. Oh, well, I'm not reshooting it. I don't care. I'm cute. That's why I keep looking at myself. Look at me. I want to appreciate y'all for coming through, stopping through, and kicking it with your girl for a little bit. I hope y'all enjoyed these little outfits, this stuff that I bought from the thrift. I gotta get this together, okay? I'm gonna be coming and kicking it with y'all more often. I got to do this. You know what I mean? I gotta figure out what I'm doing with myself.
I don't know what's going on in my life.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. And here I am. Looking at y'all, looking at myself, not y'all. Hey, what's up? Anyways, I want to go ahead and like, hit subscribe, share this with your friends. Thanks for coming to kick it with your girl. I'll see y'all next time on my next episode of whatever the hell I'm going to be doing the next time, whatever the hell I want to be doing on my channel. Thanks for coming to kick it with your girl. Bye, y'all.